Prof himself. Prof Chief Imo.
Oh, Daniel.
Prof of inestimable value.
Oh, me.
Prof of legal jurisdiction.
Ebe.
To
me.
Hey, Prof.
Give me the name that is due to me.
Hey.
Because when a king is born, a king is also born.
Hey.
You cannot migrate or you cannot dispute my international disability.
I concur.
Oh my God.
The Prof himself.
You need to concur.
Hey.
He got conquer very soon. Hence our concurrence of the concurrity.
I hear you, sir.
Oh my God.
I'm the Prof. At the moment, where are you onto your voyage?
My dear, I am in my way to somewhere. Because Anakin Choba said, when a man of value, a man of honor, a man of dignity is out in a vulnerable environment, is either something is running after you or you are running after something. Hey, at this juncture, I am running after something. And you cannot predict my arandum memorandum. Hey,
Prof. No, Prof, break it down for me to understand. You know your vocabulary I cannot attain.
I know.
Break it down.
I have what they call Opiotus International Randabua.
I concur.
Oh, concur. Keep on concurring.
I concur.
I'm on my way to Benin City.
Benin?
Today happens to be the 17th of July, 2023. A great company, a great man from a great kingdom is celebrating his creativity of his creativity.
Aye.
Oh yes.
Talk to me.
I am talking about a brother, an in-law, a grandfather, a philanthropist, a man of the people, a man after God's own heart, a man of international dispute and then local dispute.
Right on, sir.
He operates internationally and he also operates locally and withinly.
Prof.
Because I am going for Wando Motors Nigerian Limited. They are 15 years anniversary.
15 years anniversary.
15 years of great achievement. Do you know him?
Of Asian Kingdom.
You are suffering from a Duna Oblongata. You have to conquer it. Your brain is fast working. In fact, your brain should become machinery investigational adequation.
Talk to me,
I concur. Yes, you have to concur.
So, Chief, Rugo 15 years anniversary.
15 years of
Wando Motors of the other day.
Wando Motors of the other day. Giga, the whole federation is coming to celebrate.
Wow.
They are celebrating their wonderful achievements. They are celebrating great things. They are celebrating. In fact, this man, since 15 years, nobody have ever come to complain that he bought a car from my brother. He was disappointed, or his money was eaten, or he sent money and the car was not delivered. In fact, it is the summary of what you ordered versus what you got.
Wando Motors.
Wando Motors.
Hey.
They are number one. Even they sell cars abroad.
Are you for real?
If you want to buy a car in Nigeria, they will wave it to you to abroad. They do it. That is the reason today I am out with my leg. I told maybe my motor car. Because if I come out with my car, my brother feel no say I have a car. You got to go. So he will not see me that I have no car. He will pity me. He will subsequentialize me. He will diabolicalize me, and he will interrogate me
and say, "Let the poor breathe.
Let the poor breathe, my dear." Someone them okay. I got no, it's undoable at all. No, who does that?
Who does that?
He helped the poor. He has helped before. He keep helping. On the 17th of this July, all their customers, all the staff, all the workers, everybody must come out to celebrate with them. If you don't celebrate now that they are celebrating, but when you celebrate with the celebrant, God himself will make you a celebrity.
Yes, sir.
Can't you see the way I dress? I hope my dressing is presentable.
Talk to me, sir.
Because I am going to be the chair speaker of the day. Because I am a son of a proud son of a ancient kingdom. And who is celebrating also is the CEO of a Wando Motors from Equation Kingdom. Some people will go on ordinary human being and mehes. Onye Kechineke Jaka mehes. Emirem Chimeze. Chimuge memes. So that is it. I am moving on to glory. I hope all of you are getting ready. 17th of this month.
The prof.
Tell your father.
Yes, sir.
Tell your father to pay up. Otherwise, I'll let.
Yes, prof.
Good.
The prof himself. The prof himself.
Come here. Give him the local. I will see. All right.